Nonmetals by Vedanshi. What are nonmetals? Nonmetals are a category of elements on the periodic table that have a wide range of physical states such as gases, liquids, and solids. Nonmetals mostly form covalent bonds with other nonmetals by sharing electrons and creating molecules such as water and carbon dioxide. Most nonmetals have lower densities compared to metals because of their physical properties. Nonmetals are mostly found in different forms in nature, including gases in the atmosphere, such as nitrogen and oxygen. Examples of nonmetals. Some examples of nonmetals are hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. Some physical and chemical properties of nonmetals are that many nonmetals are gases at room temperature, such as oxygen, nitrogen, and fluorine. And nonmetals can have a wide range of melting points and boiling points. So, for example, helium has a very low boiling point, while carbon has a very high melting point. These metals are very poor conductors of heat and electricity, making them very good insulators. Nonmetals can be colored, or in different forms. Some chemical properties are that nonmetals generally gain electrons to form negative ions in chemical reactions. For example, chlorine gains an electron. So nonmetals tend to form acidic oxides when combined with oxygen. And some nonmetals are in different forms of the same metal. So for example, carbon is present in graphites and diamonds. Nonmetals can be highly reactive, often involves gaining electrons or reacting with metals. So how are nonmetals important? Nonmetals are important because nonmetals such as phosphorus and sulfur are important for different biological functions. So phosphorus is important for energy transfer, ATP, while sulfur is important for protein synthesis. Nonmetals such as carbon dioxide are involved in carbon cycle, which is important for Earth's climate and supports plant growth. Nonmetals silicon is important for technological advancement and is often used in devices such as like solar panels. So some everyday examples of nonmetals. So oxygen is one of the nonmetals, and it's essential for breathing, and it makes up about 20% of the Earth's atmosphere and is important for respiration of most living organisms. Carbon is found in different forms, and it is a vital element for life. So, for example, carbon is present in the food we consume, like fruits and vegetables, or in everyday use objects, like pencils. Chlorine is mostly used in bleach and disinfectants, and it helps kill germs and keep things clean. So some fun facts are that both diamonds and graphite is made from carbon atoms, but they have two different properties. So diamonds are more rough and used in cutting tools, but graphite is soft and used in pencils. A noble gas, such as neon, glows bright red-orange when an electron current passes through the neon gas. And bromine is a nonmetal used as an alternative for chlorine in swimming pools. It helps keep pools clean and is less likely to affect skin and eyes.